You work hard, you get paid, and somehow, a week later, you're broke again. Where's all your money going? Let's fix that with a simple monthly budget that actually works. Hey, welcome to your dollar guide. If you're tired of living paycheck to paycheck or you've never made a budget before, this video's for you. No complicated spreadsheets, no boring lectures, just real talk and a plan you can actually follow. The first and important thing you need to do is know where you stand. Let's start with the basics, knowing your financial baseline. That means how much money do you actually make in a month, and where is it all going? Start by calculating your total take-home pay. That's what hits your bank account after taxes. Include your main job, any side hustle, freelance income, anything that's reliable each month. Next, track every expense. I mean everything. Rent or mortgage, groceries, gas, subscriptions, credit card payments, even that $5 iced coffee. Why? Because most people think they know they're spending, but they're often way off. If you've ever said, "I don't know where it all went," this step will open your eyes. You can use a simple notebook, your phone, or a budgeting app. The goal is clarity, and that's the first step to financial control. Next step is separate the needs from the wants. Now that you know where your money goes, it's time to organize it. Here's the trick. Separate your needs from your wants. Needs are essential, like rent, food, transportation, health insurance. Wants are non-essentials, like eating out, subscriptions, online shopping, or that new gadget you don't really need. You don't have to cut out all your fun spending, but you do need to know the difference. Here's a simple rule that helps a ton. It's called the 50-30-20 rule. 50% of your income goes to needs, 30% goes to wants, 20% goes to savings or debt payoff. It's not a law, it's a guideline. If your rent takes up 60%, that's okay. Just adjust the other parts. The point is to give your money a plan, so it's not just disappearing on random stuff. Next, let's address emergency fund and tackle debt. Okay, so now you're planning better, but what about the unexpected? That's where your emergency fund comes in. Think of it like your financial airbag. Start small. Aim for $500 to $1,000, enough to cover a car repair, a medical bill, or a surprise expense without using a credit card. Next, we need to talk about debt, especially high-interest debt like credit cards. Let's say you have $6,000 on a card with 20% interest. If you only pay the minimum, you'll be paying it off for years and possibly spend an extra $5,000 in interest. That's brutal. So here are 2 ways to fight back. 1. Avalanche method. Pay off your highest interest debt first. 2. Snowball method. Pay off your smallest balance first for a quick win. Now let's discuss some important tools that work for you. Budgeting doesn't have to be a chore. You can use free apps like Mint, YNAB, you need a budget, or Pocket Guard to make this all the way easier. These apps connect to your bank, track every transaction, and even send you alerts when you're close to overspending. It's like having a personal finance assistant in your pocket. Plus, when things are automated, you're way more likely to stay on track. Budgeting should fit into your life, not take over your life. And the last, most important thing is weekly money check-ins. This part's simple but powerful. Do a quick review every week. Set a time, maybe every Sunday night. Sit down, check your budget, look at your spending, and ask yourself, did I stick to my plan? What went off track? Can I adjust anything for next week? These 10-minute check-ins help you course correct before small problems become big ones. And trust me, the more you do it, the more confident you'll feel. Budgeting isn't about cutting back on life. It's about getting your money to work for you instead of the other way around. So if you're ready to stop wondering where your money went and start telling it where to go, hit that subscribe button. This is your dollar guide, and we've got way more tips to help you grow, save, and win with your money. Remember, budgeting equals freedom.